All right, severe storm watch is on for the Cariboo, and we've already got it's trying to hail. Starting off already right here in Wells at like 11:30 in the morning. It's pretty much right on schedule. This is bad news. My God.
Falling out right now.
Anything could happen. Wow. I'll watch the video later.
Feel the heat. I need more legs, I need water.
Ain't dry mopping this. There's no radar in the Cariboo still yet today, or Prince George regions, same radar station of course. So all I got really is the old school method, and I'm actually out of data on the phone, so I can't even set up somewhere to check refresh satellite images and lightning detectors. So I really got to go old school here, which is pretty much how I started storm chasing. However, the problem with the Cariboo, it's a little different than where I've chased some of those storms, is there's only so many roads to go on, and truck's only half behaving right now, so I don't want to necessarily go anywhere with the truck. So that closes off a whole lot of logging roads I might otherwise venture down. See if I can get some direction as to where it's going. Here it is. Boom. This isn't a road you can really rock the car on easily, but I'm a mountain man. All right, up the mountain we go. This is actually the old Cariboo wagon road. This would have been how you get to Barkerville back in the 1860s. You know, back in the time when you'd want to go to Barkerville. That was back when it was for people like me. For adventurers and explorers. A lovely spot. Some placer mine down here. Someone set up like a rock truck and a machine or two and a camper. Small man show, just like you'd see on the, I don't know, History Channel or something like that, right? That's what goes on here in Wells, BC. Lots of small-time placer miners, and that's why some of these banks look the way they do, actually. It's a real nice spot here, but unfortunately, I think I was better off in Wells now that I got a good look at the shape and structure of things and where they're moving. And there you go, I'm just starting to hear thunder that direction. So just as I expected as I started moving back towards the car here. You know, things could still grow up right here in my location. I mean, it's not terrible. I just don't know if this is where I want to hedge my bets or not. Or if I keep looking for a better location yet. But yeah, that's spectacular. Beautiful looking clouds. Crazy convection going on. Really wonderful. I've been concerned that this first round will be the strongest in this region, and that I'm going to miss it. I definitely got some, albeit small, a little bit of hail coming down here, just outside of Wells. And we got some nice hailstones here in Wells right now. Some pretty good sized ones. Centimeter. That's a little something. So yeah, I did miss the first round for sure. It's sort of in behind Barkerville, heading into the Cariboo Mountains. Probably could have gone east when I went west instead. But, you know, when I looked at the SAT image, that seemed to be a very sensible direction to go. So, I'm pretty choked at myself. I went right when I should have gone left earlier today. Spooky things developing. Could be. It's definitely a low-hanging fruit. Very windy. Maybe a scud, maybe a broad area rotation. It's in a good location for that kind of behavior. But it doesn't look extremely well organized. But it is blasting windy down here. There's a little bit of a line of rain and hail. Wowzers. Isn't that something? All right, well, here's attempt number 2 to see if I can miss another thunderstorm. I think I waited a little too long on this one too. It's already in danger of crossing the Barkerville Highway somewhere out there. It already hasn't begun to. I don't know about the severity of this one, but there is a severe storm right now west of Prince George. It's 20 kilometers west moving north, and we have no radar, so I can't tell you much about it. Anything more than what Environment Canada says. It's moving slowly. Things seem to be very slowly moving today. Here it comes. Yep, definitely some hail in here. Definitely hailing. I just saw a tree come down right to my left of me, right beside me. Oh well, the show is over for Severe and Wells today. Just didn't really happen for me today. Zigged when I should have zigged earlier, and nothing. Back to the lodge we go.